Clients can change addresses, phone numbers, and other information. From the side menu, or from the top menu, we can click on the All Clients link to edit existing clients, or check if a client already exists. We can click on the name of any client to pull up detailed information. Here we can see everything that we entered when the client was created. To change information, simply click the Edit button. Now, we have the same form from before, when creating the client, where we can adjust client information. We must click the Edit Client button at the bottom, after making any changes. This will not affect existing appointments or trips. In the near future there will be a second button to edit the client and any existing appointments in one step. Back on the main All Clients screen we have a very advanced search box to find our client. By default you can search using part of a name, address, phone, and notes. Usually less information is better, and then we can refine depending on how many results we have. For example, if Thomas Smith calls in, he might say his name is Tom, so searching Thomas will not find him. Searching Smith may produce too many results to quickly locate our client. Try name variations, or search by phone. When we do successfully locate our client, we can click on the client name to edit. By clicking the Back to Clients button, we keep our search parameters. If we click on All Clients, we lose our search parameters, and start fresh. The same holds true after clicking the Edit button. Using the Back to Client button, we'll keep our search parameters.